See? Hello. O, sus, mag-hi ka muna. Ikaw. Asay mo. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Mommy Reese. Congratulations. Naka-dress na kami, flower girl. Oh. Hi, Nanay Paning. Hi, Nanay. Asay mo. Hi, Nanay.
Wala.
Oh. Hi, Nanay
Naka-silver ka pa naman, oh.
Paning.
Silver wedding, oh. Naka-silver ka pa, oh. See?
Naka-silver. Naka-dress na silang dalawa.
Oh.
Hi, hi muna. Hi, Daddy.
Say hi to Daddy, Manny.
Congratulations! Congratulations na lang.
Bukas na lang, hindi siya inaantok na yun.
Hi,
Paano
Mimi.
natin? Bukas na yun.
Bukas na ba? Ano? Bukas
Sa linggo?
Sabado sa linggo pa naman yung ano.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Salamat. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Game. Video yan, video. Hindi
Hindi
picture.
pictures kasi.
Kakata.
Salamat. Ay, ano? Paano? Nobody but you?
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Oh.
Nice to hold it.
Okay.
Tayo ka na lang.
Okay. Okay.
Game na!
Okay. Oh, Pasko daw. Pasko. Wala na. Tapos na.
Hi, Daddy Manny. Hi, Mommy Lisa. Congratulations! Yeah? Opo. Flower girl po kami. Opo. Kakanta pa kami. Congratulations! Yeah! Susunod po kami sa flower girl. Sa reception kami, ha? Sama kay Isabella? Yeah? Hi, everybody!
Hi.
Hi, Nanay Pane!
Nice to baby.
Hi, Nanay Pane!
Nice to Missy. She's a baby.
Hi, Yaya Maya! Baby. Congratulations! Love you!
Baby.
Action.
Hi, Daddy Manny.
Hi, Mommy Riza.
Congratulations on your silver wedding anniversary. Sorry we can't make it. We don't have a passport yet, or Isabella doesn't have a passport yet. We hope you had a good party, and we wish you all the best. Congratulations again.
And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
See you soon.
Bye.
Hello! Congratulations! I love you!
I love you.
I miss you, everybody!
I wish you everybody.
Yeah. Merry Christmas!
My sister.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas! Ay, ko na.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Happy, happy,
Birthday.
Happy New Year!
Yeah.
Pasko, tomorrow we will buy gift and we go to Santa Claus, no?